This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by amazing sunsets, beautiful views and privacy in this brand new Tivoli floor plan by Lennar. This Marsh Front home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 3-car garage. The rear porch comes with a screened-in lanai. Perfect Florida lifestyle home in popular Amelia Walk, located just minutes to Amelia Island, miles of beaches and historical downtown Fernandina Beach. Amelia Walk is centrally located in Nassau County, off the Amelia Concourse. Convenience is key: 15 minutes to the beaches and historic Fernandina, 25 minutes to JAX International Airport, 5 minutes to nearby shopping and dining. Amelia Walk offers a relaxed, upscale residential neighborhood with nearby public golf courses without the obligation for food and beverage spending. Community center includes private gym, tennis courts. For more information, review the details below or contact at 904-261-9311.